Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in the previous class we have learnt about block 12, our state S2 topic, that is food in our state. What was the food in our state? I told you example in Telangana, in Hyderabad, that is Hyderabad biryani. Yes, but we have taken one example, that is Maharashtra state bakri dish. Yes, what are the ingredients grown nearby? Um, what is grown nearby for them? They will mostly they cook that only. That food only is famous. That is bakri. They grow more over there. That's why they'll prepare bakri food. Okay. Now in today's topic, we'll learn about a monument in our state. What is the meaning of monument? Monument is a building, a historical building. What is historical means? In earlier times, what they were built, that is called monuments. Will preserve it. Yes, we will see safely historical. We should see on in the olden days they have built this big buildings. We have seen. Have you seen any such buildings in our city or town, in our state? Any such buildings are there? Yes, children, there are so many buildings. You have seen Charminar, you have seen Golconda Fort. Yes, that is there in Hyderabad. You have seen, I think so. Yes, so those are the historical monuments. So now we will look into some pictures about that, and we will learn more about the monuments in our state. Okay children, I'll show you the pictures and explain you about the monuments, historical monuments like Charminar and Golconda. Okay children? Children, what is this picture? I think so everyone went and saw. What is this? What is this children? Yes, this is Charminar. Yes, everyone went and saw. So this is the historical place. It is from olden days. It is built in olden days. So still we are seeing. We are preserving it. We are taking care of the olden building so that we can see in future also. So this is the Charminar. This is the one of the famous monument in our state in Telangana, and it is located in Hyderabad. What is this children? Charminar. Yes, children, did everyone notice what you can see? See, children, you can see the people watching the Charminar. See here. Yes, the people will come and watch the Charminar because it is a famous monument. So, this is the historical and important monument. Why you think it is important? Because it is built in the olden days, so that how the build how the olden people have built the buildings we can see in our future also. So for example, it is to remember an important person or an event in the state history. This is an important means this. If we see the Charminar, it will say the what happened, who which person have built and everything. It will say about the history of the history of olden days. So history of the state, about the state, what is the state history. And one more picture also have children. What is this? Yes, this is the Golconda Fort. Yes children, here also you can see the garden. You can observe the garden, how it built, how the Charminar is built, how the Golconda is built. And see, for this historical monument the people have come to watch. Yes, you can see here the people have come to watch. So this is the very important monuments of our state that located in Hyderabad. But in Telangana there are so many monuments located in different states. Okay children, different cities. Now what material they have used, you can know, you can identify. Where do you think they got all this material? How they got this all material to build this Charminar and Golconda? So the monuments say that what the monument is made up of, and whether the material could have come from nearby or far away. So they have collected the nearby things and everything they want, what they think, what material they want. They have collected everything and they have built the Charminar and Golconda to see in the future also. Still, this is the, I think so, so many years ago this have been built, but still now we are watching this because the material and everything is used is very strong. So these are the monuments of our state, children. Okay, now everyone open your reader. Let's read some topic about this. Okay, let's open reader page number 76, children. Okay, page number 76, we have the monuments of, already we have read about food items. This is about the monuments. Let's read it. Okay, Zubeda lives in Andhra Pradesh and went with her mother to see the Charminar in Hyderabad. Yes, children, we have seen just now how the Charminar is. Her mother told a king got the Charminar. A king got the Charminar built more than 400 years ago. It seems you can see still now the Charminar is built 400 years ago, but still we are seeing that. At the time, it was the center of the Hyderabad city. Many artists worked to make this beautiful building. Monuments like this tells us about history, people and art of our state. Who have built that history and art of our state tells about the monument will tell about everything about our state, children. So this is about. Let's read one more topic about this. Now everyone open page number 79. Let's read about Maharashtra. Maharashtra, we have read about already, I think so. We have read in previous class about food. One thing, what was that? Bakri, which it is made up of with jowar, right? So we'll see in Maharashtra there is something what we have read will is there or not, we will see. Okay, Maharashtra is a state in western India. Like Kerala, it is nearby near the Arabian Sea. It has many beautiful mountains which people go to for for fun. Many dishes in Maharashtra are made from rice, jowar, and wheat. So, jowar is what we make with jowar. I told one dish that is bakri. Yes, like that only the Maharashtra people were. Why they made in Maharashtra? Because they grow more jowar there. That's why they made bakri more. Okay. The people of Maharashtra speak Marathi and other languages. Mumbai is the largest city and the capital of the state. Okay, children, this is about Maharashtra. We have some interesting topic in this. Maharashtra has many mountains. The Ajanta caves in Maharashtra have old carvings and paintings. In Mumbai, the largest city of Maharashtra, many people travel within the city by train. So what they have, what monument they have in Maharashtra? We have in Hyderabad, we have Charminar. What if they have in Maharashtra? Ajanta caves. Ipsum. See the Ajanta caves. See, children, how it is built. See, this is the Ajanta caves and this is the train and this is the mountains. They said, see, mountains. Maharashtra have many mountains. So these are the mountains. And they said Ajanta cave. This is the Ajanta cave historical monument. And the Mumbai is the largest city and many people travel within the city by train. This is the train. They travel. Many people, as you can see here, many people. Right? So this is about the Maharashtra. Okay, children, now let's do the workbook. Okay, children, now everyone open your workbook, page number 22. Did everyone open your workbook, page number 22, volume 2 workbook, children? Okay, page number 22. Write today's date, children. Okay, what is today's date? 10 dash 11 2020. What is the topic? S3 monuments in our state. Okay, children, they have given some paintings and monuments, children, here. You can see here. Yes, what we have read, this picture already we have seen. Where we have seen? Yes, children, this is Ajanta Caves. Where it is located? In Maharashtra. Yes, they have given some points. Let's read first, okay? These are the Ajanta caves in Maharashtra. They are near the city of Aurangabad. The caves are carved from the mountains. Some parts of the caves are more than 1,000 years old. 1,000 years old, Ipsum's children. Some caves are. They were made as place to pray and live in. This is the God place, children. So they will pray here. There are only a few caves like this in other places which are cut into the mountains. The caves also have beautiful paintings and carvings inside. These unique feature make Ajanta a very special monument. You can see, children, how the shape of the God is there, how they have made painting. See the cave painting. See the outside building. Look at the cave from outside. This is the cave, and this is the carving into a inside a cave, and this is the painting inside a cave. Okay, children. Now let's do the first bit. In the picture, in the pictures, circle where you see a person carving in a stone. Where you see a person carving in a stone. Yes, children, that is the first picture, right? So you have to circle. So you can't circle, draw the box like this. Okay, draw the box. Okay, children, that is the carving of a picture of a person. Put a tick where you see the painting of a person. Where you can see the painting of a person. In picture 3, children, this is the painting of a person. No, it is the outside of the cave. Where is the painting of the person? See, you can see in the second picture, painting inside a cave. So what you have to do? You have to tick it. Okay, children, take the answer. Now let's do the second one. Many people like to go to these to see the Ajanta caves. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? They will go and watch these Ajanta caves, children. Any guesses? Any answers from you? Yes, children. These cave, why they will more interesting, more why they will go like to go to these places means because this is very old, children. How much old? Thousand of years ago. So this is very old. They want to. They have the curiosity to go and watch it, right? So the first point is these caves are very old. That's why they want to go and watch it. And more why? They have the beautiful paintings. Yes, so that's why they want to go and watch it. They like to go and watch. And more anything, and they have told these unique features make Ajanta very special monuments. Means these are the special things. So there are not many such caves. We have these like this such caves now. You can see now they can make it, and now you can see such unique features like Ajanta monuments. You can see no. So this is the very special monument. That's why it is very important, and they like to go to see the Ajanta caves. So these are the points. Now let's write it, children. Okay. Yes, children. Now see the answer. These caves are very sorry. I've written 2 times R. So let's cut 1 R. These caves are very old. There are many beautiful paintings in the caves. There are not many such caves. So these are the 3 points, and that's why people want to go to see the Ajanta caves. Now let's do the third one. Do you think the caves are made from material that come from nearby or far by places? Give reasons. This material is very precious, children. So what are their availability nearby, so that only they will do, right? So the answer is the caves are made from, you can see in Maharashtra there are so many mountains. From mountains only they are made. Are made from mountains. So they are made from material. Mountains are nearby or far away? Nearby only, no? So material are found nearby. So this is the answer. The caves are made from mountains. So they are made from materials found nearby. Okay, children. Now everyone complete your workbook. In previous class I have given the classwork also. Complete that classwork, and previous classes workbook also you complete. Okay, children. Thank you.